Welcome to part 3 of my grandpa's Rev rebuild. So if you haven't watched the first 2 episodes, we are rebuilding my grandpa's 2004 Ski-Doo Rev that he spring checked brand new over 20 years ago. And it's a sled I spent a lot of time on as a kid, so this sled has some sentimental value. It's been a fun series so far. The first video, we figure out what was wrong with it. The second video, we finally get it put back together and we go up for a test ride. And in this video, I'm super excited to finally get it back to my grandpa and ride with my grandpa for the first time in many years. Believe it or not, my grandpa wasn't even the first snowmobiler in our family. My great grandpa actually was the first one to go purchase some Ski-Doo snowmobiles. A couple things to know before you watch this. It's still early season. I know you're gonna be like, why don't they go do more things with it? Well, it's still, one, my grandpa isn't like he used to be. He's past his glory days, so can't ride like he used to be, so we got to be super selective on where we go. The snow is super thin still. We're off to a good start here in the Bighorns, but we still need some more snow before we can get crazy. I'm just excited to get on the snow with my grandpa for the first time in many years. Look at that, he's already geared up. You ready to rip or what?
Where's Anna at?
She's got to babysit today. There's your Rev. You can just throw your stuff in wherever. We'll get a better look at it on the mountain.
Who's all going?
You, me, Jet, and Jacob. About time.
You guys don't ride with tech best?
We got power to shred.
What's happening?
I love it.
What do you notice?
Got new skis. A-arm's been powder coated. It's got new shocks.
Pretty
Looks
cool.
wonderful.
Awesome, huh?
Yes.
You miss hearing her fire up?
Ready to give her hell again.
So a couple additions. We put the newer shocks on there. Those are from a 24 Summit. So those are on there. We powder coated this. We put the newer spindles on it, also from a 24 Summit. New shocks, new skis, new spindles.
New engine.
New engine, yep. You excited to ride today?
Yeah.
When's the last time you rode?
21.
2021?
Yep.
So we got my sled, my grandpa's sled. 21 years difference.
Yeah, 21 years.
Yep, Gen 1, Gen 5. Pretty cool. Already tinkering on it. Haven't even left the trailer and he's got the side panel cracked open. He's got to inspect our work. So we got a couple objectives today. 1, see my grandpa rip on his 04 Rev. 2, get my grandma a Christmas tree. And then Jet has a 155 series, is it series 9?
Yep.
Jet has a 155 series 9 3.25 track on his 146 Ski-Doo. So this thing's pretty nasty looking. Fire it up, Grandpa. First impression, how's she running?
I love it.
Yeah, she's snappy?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Everything seemed to run good?
Yeah.
Good. Good deal. Yeah, she felt snappy when we rode her the other day.
Question.
Uh-huh.
Did you guys clean the carburetor out?
We did. Yep. What do you notice?
Did you change the pilot, or clean the pilot jets out?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, why?
Well, just
So being
kind of
a
act
little...
like the...
Well, we mixed the fuel, so it's running rich.
Well, no.
No?
The at low RPMs,
Yeah.
it sounds like the pilot jets
You can hear something?
is kind of plugged.
Oh.
I know on my 08, it does it all the time at them pilot jets plug up.
How do you feel about standing up and stuff? You good?
I can.
Okay. I don't want to overdo it.
No,
I think this will be easier than going around and down.
whatever.
I think.
Yeah, I can stand up.
Okay.
It's just,
Just let me know if you get tired, need a break or whatever.
I'm tired. Oh.
Oh, you tired already? All right. We're gonna get off the road and start making our way to the high country. First start, Grandpa. You want us to get on it? So do you want us to get on it? Are you good? Don't overdo it.
I won't.
Alright, we just made it to the high country. The snow's still thin, but at least the grass isn't poking out. But now we're gonna do some testing, do some hill climbing, as much as we can do. I've already hit a couple rocks, really, so still early season, gotta be careful. Yep, we're hitting rocks, but it's still fun. I'm just happy to be out here.
And then there's the old guy.
How you feeling, Grandpa?
Feel great.
Yeah?
Beside my hip,
Yeah.
sitting on here.
Yeah.
Gets a little sore, I guess. Very happy with it.
Just need to get the clutching figured out, huh?
Yep. Well, I think it's just the primary is dirty. It won't backshift right.
So originally we had the stock TRA primary clutch on it, and we had some issues. I'll overlay the footage here. Nobody for the life of them could figure out what was wrong with it.
Maybe he can.
Some people thought they knew what was wrong, but we replaced everything. And so we had to throw a different primary clutch on it just to get it running. And one of these days we'll throw the correct primary on it. But so right now, what's that primary off of? Is that
It's off of the MX 08.
So it's kind of dropping, it's fading RPMs. So yeah, probably might be able to take it apart and clean it, and it might run better. And then we also could swap out the primary and secondary spring. They might be a little worn out, so it's not quite dialed yet, but we're not done with this rev. But Grandpa's just happy to be out here and shredding.
Yes.
It's fun, so couldn't complain. It's so windy. Why? Let's go! Alright, you want to trade?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Why? You don't want to try this one?
Nope.
Why?
Good.
Just go straight up it.
Nope.
Well,
Because then I'd want one.
we'll get one. Yeah, at least try it. Well, let me try yours for a second. Alright, you want to trade?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Why? You don't want to try this one? You alright?
Yes. I'm not used to a durable sled.
That was a little crazy. I'm gonna show that one to Grandma. Grandma's gonna see that video.
That's good.
Everything's all good. Crazy man. Got 12 o'clock. Everything's good. Rails are fine. That's how you
Didn't
run.
flip it over all the way.
No, you did not flip it over all the way. That's good.
Yep.
That's why we run those bomber rails. Ice Age for the win.
Do my sled for me.
What'd you think of it though? For like,
I love it. Handle's a lot different than mine. A little easier to turn. A little easier to get the front end up.
that's for sure. Yeah, you found that out.
Yes, I did. I think it's a good one.
Yeah, nice
Grandma will be happy with it.
Yeah, Grandma will like this one. Nice, mission
Well-
accomplished. All right, Christmas tree secured. So let's see. We tested the rev. Still have some clutching issues. Need to find a new primary. But for the most part, it's running strong. It just needs clutching.
That runs great.
Yep, ran great. We tested the my grandpa rode a Gen 5. That was sweet. Got a little vertical there.
I'd say it was more than a little bit of vertical.
Yeah, you were straight 12 o'clock. There.
Fell off the back of it.
It fell off the back. That's why you run bomber rails right there. With no snow, those bomber rails save the sled. But yeah, that's all we can do really today. There's not a ton of snow. We're still slow on it, but it's a good day just to be out. So we're gonna pack up this Christmas tree here and get it back to my grandma. But I don't think we're done with the rev yet. This is part 3. I think we still have some more work to do. Grandpa's got to come out a couple more times when the snow's good. So we'll have to bring the rev out when it's running great with good snow. That'll be fun. So yeah, that's all we got. Thanks for watching. Getting technical.